Science and Technology Part 1st. Chapter number 9, Carbon Compounds. The covalent bond. The chemical bond that is formed between the two combining atoms by mutual sharing of one or more electron of atom of non-metallic element is called covalent bond. For example, formation of F2 molecule. Fluorine atom has the electronic configuration 2,7. There are 7 electrons in its valence shell. Each fluorine atom needs one electron to complete its octet. In order to complete the octet, each fluorine atom constitutes one electron for sharing. And both the atoms share a pair of electrons which constitutes a covalent bond between the two atoms. Covalent bonds are classified into three types. Single covalent bond. When the atoms share only one pair of electrons, it is single covalent bond. For example, formation of H2 molecule. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its first shell, which is also the outermost shell. In order to complete its duplet and attain the configuration of helium, hydrogen share one electron with another atom of hydrogen and forms a covalent molecule. One pair of shared electron is shown by single line, which is a single covalent bond. Double covalent bond. If the atoms share two pairs of electron, it is double covalent bond. For example, formation of O2 molecule. Oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Two oxygen atoms combine by sharing two pairs of electrons between the and form a covalent molecule. Two pairs of shared electron is shown by double line, which is a double covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. When the atoms share three pairs of electron, it is triple covalent bond. Example, N2 molecule. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. It needs 3 more electrons to complete its octet. That 3 electrons nitrogen gets from another atoms to form a triple covalent bond. Hydrocarbons and their classification. Hydrocarbons are the simplest organic compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen. They are regarded as the parent organic compound since all the other organic substances can be derived from this compound. The main source of hydrocarbon is petroleum. Hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two types: open chain or aliphatic and carbocyclic. Open chain or aliphatic compounds. Open chain compounds or aliphatic compounds are divided into two types: saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Saturated hydrocarbons form only single bonds, for example, alkanes with single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two types: alkanes with double bond and alkynes with triple bond. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into three types: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Hydrocarbons containing only single covalent bond between the carbon atoms are called alkanes or paraffins. In saturated hydrocarbons, all the valence electrons of the carbons are singly bonded with the other carbon atoms or hydrogen atoms. Hence, alkanes will not take part in any reactions other than substitution reaction. Single carbon atom connected to the 4 hydrogen by single covalent bond. All alkanes end in ANE. Alkanes are represented by general formula CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms like 1, 2, 3. If one hydrogen atom is removed from any alkanes, the general molecular formula of the resulting group will be CnH2n plus 2 plus 1 and is called as alkyl group. Alkanes. Alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Alkanes are also called olefins. The double bond in the alkanes is called as olefinic bond. The simplest alkane is ethane C2H4. CH2 is not possible because double bond is not possible between the carbon and hydrogen. In the alkanes, carbon-carbon double bond is there. In higher alkenes, the number of double bonds and their position may be vary. Alkenes are represented by general molecular formula CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms like 2, 3, 4. All alkenes end in ene. If there is a carbon-carbon double bond, then it is that alkene is ended with the ene. Alkynes are the organic compounds of carbon and hydrogen containing triple bond between the carbon-carbon atoms. All alkynes end in yne. Alkynes are also called as acetylene. Alkynes are represented by the general molecular formula CnH2n-2, where n is the number of carbon atoms like 2, 3, 4. There is a carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbocyclic compound. Hydrocarbons containing ring of carbon atoms called as carbocyclic compound, or it is also called as cyclohexane. There are two types of alicyclic and aromatic compounds. For example, cyclopentane is an cyclic compound, whereas benzene is an aromatic compound. Isomers and isomerism. Different organic compounds have got the same molecular formula and different structural formula. This phenomenon is called as isomerism, and each compound is called an isomer. Isomers are made up of equal numbers of atoms of similar elements. Because of difference in their structure, these compounds have different physical and chemical properties. The greater the number of carbon atoms in the molecule, the larger the number of isomers possible. Chain isomerism. The isomerism in which isomers differ from each other due to the presence of different carbon chain skeletons is known as chain isomerism. Isomers of butane, that is C4H10. Butane has two structural formula, so it has two chain isomers, N-butane and isobutane, that is 2-methylpropane. Isomers of pentane, that is C5H12. Isomers of pentane has three structural formula, thus pentane has three chain isomer, N-pentane, isopentane, that is 2-methylbutane, and neopentane, 2,2-dimethylpropane. Position isomerism. Alkanes having 4 or more carbon atoms per molecules, butane and its higher homologous shows isomerism. The isomerism in alkane may be due to the difference in position of double bond or due to the branching. In the carbon chain, butane has two isomers, one butane and two butane are the isomers of butane. Functional isomerism. In this type of isomerism, isomers differ in structure due to the presence of different functional group. For example, with C3H6O, we can write a ketone or a aldehyde. Characteristics of isomers. Isomers have same chemical formula or molecular formulae. Isomers differ in their structural formulae. Because of difference in the structures and hence their electronic configuration and bondings, isomers exhibits different physical and chemical properties. Tetravalency in carbon. The electronic configuration of carbon with atomic number 6 is 2,4. Carbon atom cannot lose or gain 4 electrons to acquire stable configuration because it requires large amount of energy. Carbon acquires stable octet by sharing of electrons. Thus, in order to complete its octet, carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds with other atoms and hence exhibits a valency of 4. Example: methane CH4 molecule. Carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. One carbon atom combines with 4 hydrogen atoms by sharing one pair of electrons with each of them to form methane molecule. Compounds with functional groups containing oxygen. Alcoholic OH, aldehydic CHO, ketonic CO, carboxyl COOH. In certain organic compounds, atoms or radicals other than hydrogen atoms are connected to the carbon atoms. Such groups attached to the carbon atoms are called functional groups. Functional groups are the acting part of the organic compounds. The chemical properties of these compounds depend upon the functional groups present in them. For example, the properties of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol are similar due to the same functional group. Alcohols. Alcohols are the carbon compound containing OH group attached to the carbon atom. The general formula of alcohol is ROH, where R is the alkyl group and OH is the functional group. The name of an alcohol is derived by replacing E in the name of alkane, from which it is derived, by the ending of, example, methanol, that is CH2OH, ethanol, C2H5OH. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are carbon compounds containing carbonyl C double bond O group. In the aldehydes, carbon of carbonyl group is attached to the carbon atom and hydrogen atom in addition to the oxygen. In ketone, carbon of carbonyl group is attached to the 2 carbon atoms. Aldehydes are named by replacing E from the name of alkane by the suffix of ketones. Other named by replacing E of the alkanes by suffix 1. Methanol HCHO, ethanol, that is CH3CHO, are aldehydes. Propanol CH3CO CH3, butanol C2H5COCH3 are ketones. Homologous series. A series of organic compounds, all of them can be represented by general formula. Every member differs from its closest member by common difference CH2. This series of compound is called homologous series and every member is homolog. Compounds in homologous series are similar in their properties and method of preparation. The physical properties of these compounds show a regular gradation: alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alcohol, acids, etc. for different homologous series. Characteristics of homologous series: they have same general formula, they have same functional group, they have general method of preparation, they have similar chemical properties. Any two consecutive members of the series differ in their molecular formula by CH2. What is homologous series? Explain with an example. A hydrocarbon compound or series of hydrocarbon compound, there is a gap of CH2 unit. If you see the atomic number of carbon, that is 12 and atomic number of hydrogen. There are two number of hydrogens. Therefore 12 plus 2 it is 14. 14 units are there. Therefore 14 units of gap are there in each hydrocarbon compounds in the series. There is a gap of CH2 unit in the subsequent hydrocarbon compound. For example, ethane, propane and butane. If you see the molecular formula of ethane, which is C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10. If you see the gaps of every hydrocarbon compound, which is CH2, this is called as homologous series. Thank you.